Dear students, this is Mukesh ma'am and this is class of BBA second sem Business Ethics and CSR. Dear students, today we have a discussion about CSR. Our topic is CSR. Okay, now let us start with introduction. Social responsibility means CSR, corporate social responsibility. It is an important feature of every business in the modern times. Economic criteria alone cannot justify the existence of business organization. Means to say, in any company, the profit or non-profit condition could not be handled alone. Social, moral, and ethical aspects of business decision are equal as important as the uh, economic criteria. Okay, and to judge the success of a business firm, a socially responsible firm not only meets the need of the society but also enhance its goodwill, means increase its goodwill in society, and also creates a long term and sustainable market for its products. Okay, for a long time in the past, profit maximization was viewed as the whole business object, but nowadays this view has no important value because this is with the society. Next, we have, if companies want to survive and maintain their growth rate in the market, if they want to become market leaders, they have to sacrifice a part of their profits in favor of groups other than owners. Means to say, in companies, the owner that are not valued, that are not judged, but only amount of some finance could be uh, distributed among the society, means in favor of society. This outlook of business firms recognize the concept of social responsibility. The concept of social responsibility also ties with the business organization's obligations to look after the interest of society beyond the limits of their economic interest. Means to say, this is the responsibility of business companies, business organizations, that their obligations not to look after interest of society but also with interest beyond the limits of their economic interests. So, traditionally providing goods and service to society, it is traditionally, but and maximizing corporate profits and creating more job opportunities, they were viewed as social responsibilities of a business. But nowadays, this is changed. The focus has changed from economic aspects to social aspects. Means not uh, profit or non-profit area of the company, but the judging by social aspects of the business decision. Business organization is viewed as an institution that help to solve a broad range of social problems. What are the problems socials? Like poverty, crime, pollution, etc. These are the problems of social society. So, society also responsibility refers to the obligation of an organization to seek action. First, they seek action, and that action also could protect and improve the welfare of society along with its owner. Means two sides benefits, also benefits for organization and also benefits for society. Society responsible is implied, enforced or felt obligation of managers acting in their official to serve or protect of group other than themselves. These are the duty of CSR. CSR is the continuing commitment, means it is a continuing promise which have to follow by the business to behave ethically and contribute to economic development while improving the quality of life of the workforce and their families as well as of the local community and society at large. CSR is about capacity building for sustainable livelihood and also its respect cultural difference. Means in our India there are different cultures and different cultures have different skills. So find the business opportunity in building the skills of employee. For example, employee of Himachal is different from the Punjab employee. A person is differ, his skill is differ from the other states. So the community and the government. CSR is about business giving back to society. So CSR also should be core concern for all companies and part of each company's operation. CSR also focus on three dimensions of value creation. 3P we can say profit, people and planet. Companies should make all effort to promote CSR throughout the value creation chain that they are a part of. This is all the CSR's responsibility. Okay, I hope you might have understood, dear students. We will be continue with this CSR in next lecture. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.